Hello everyone, as you can see it's Christmas. I love Christmas, so everything's nice decorated and I thought that I'm gonna make maybe a video with my mom again. It's gonna be again about clothes, but this time it's gonna be clothes for cats. We're gonna make 2 jumpers for sure for the cats from the arm pieces. We're gonna cut them. We're gonna make 2 jumpers.
Hello.
And we're making a video again together. She's gonna help make the jumpers as she has a knowledge. Those are the 2 arms. Why am I wearing red with red? That's not really professional, but it's okay. Because now I cannot show anything because I'm red as well. So those are the arms from the old jumper. And that's the remaining piece. I don't know if you can recognize anything, but that was the front. So let me wear it as well. So like this. And here's no, it's not an arm anymore. That's not an arm anymore. It was an arm. And yeah, the arms, we're gonna make them into jumpers. I don't think that's gonna be another jumper for another cat, maybe. We will see. We will see. So let's start from the easy things. Gonna be our model. Nely. It's not that easy like a model, is it? So I think we're gonna keep it all and we're just gonna cut a bit in the end. So it's gonna be like a long...
You will see because it will stretch.
Yeah,
like
exactly. So I think we have to make first the hole. Nely's our cat that we found previous year.
Nobody liked her.
Everyone said she's ugly, but she's talking, she's so cute. If you're doing that with your cats, please probably you need to do it with 2 people. Yeah. It's not gonna be possible. I tried yesterday. Look! Perfect. Just an arm and you just make 2 holes. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Put it also like that up. You see? So it's like a double thing from the arm, from the end of the arm. That's it. You like it? Yes, you like it. Right?
Oh, beautiful.
Bravo, Nely. Now you can leave. Let's see if she likes it. She can even walk with that.
She shows it to Mike.
Show how beautiful you are to Mike. Don't hide, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, Nely. Nely? I think we need to cut the end. I think that video is gonna be more of Nely playing with the laser. We don't do it so professional. We just do it somehow. By the way, you know, I will blend in a picture where Evie is wearing a swimming suit. Like a bikini and top and a bottom. She's like a model. Whenever she was like 3 years old, I was always dressing her with my doll clothes. So she's like a model.
You will get a nice dress.
Look, she doesn't meow. So I don't know why Nely was meowing so hard before. Evie! Look how beautiful Evie looks like that. That looks so cool from the arms because it makes like an extra layer. Ew. with a video and we're the red hood, as you can see. Everyone is red here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We didn't really want to do it that way. Somehow we managed it to everyone were red. So if you like the video, like, share, care, whatever. And see you in another Christmas video. Yay!
Merry Christmas!
That's an ending. That's it.